What's the best over-the-air free HD TV antenna? I have the antenna, your key to free 4K TV as we cut the cord and I show you how to install, how to set it up, and how to enjoy that free TV. Free TV, free TV. I'm saying it a lot. Hi, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. I've actually done standalone videos on the best set-top box, the way to watch free movies and TV and content, and how to stream. This is not a video where I'm going to show you my favorite set-top box or any of the deals. And if you've never seen me before, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. I profile the biggest price drops in the country. You might have seen me on your local TV station or on Amazon Live, but the deal that I found today that's falling onto the floor because I'm totally organized is my favorite deal on what they call the big boy, the Antop HD TV antenna designed in the US. This is a great way to get incredible range and also, more importantly, how to save a lot of money on the price of the antenna today. If you want to score this deal, like any of the deals that I feature, just expand the video description box right under me. And I promise you, you'll be able to buy a brand new antenna and not the one that I have dropped the parts of on the floor and almost hurt my toe. Can you decapitate a toe? No, that'd be decapitating your head. I was gonna say almost decapitated my toe, but hurt my toe? Severed my toe? Anyhow, enough of that disgusting imagery. I'm gonna take you through this, how this works, show you what I was able to receive on this HDTV antenna. We're gonna set this up right now, just down the hall. Just screw this right into the back of the cable in, or where your antenna goes on the back of a television. Any television will have this port. The other end goes into the under part of the antenna. So one in there, one in here, you're good to go. There's nothing else you need to do. This again is an outdoor, indoor HD TV antenna. It's smart pass and amplified. It also has a 4G LTE filter, which means it cuts down on the distortion to give you that beautiful crystal clear picture, which I'm going to show you in a moment. And while this antenna has a 60 to 70 mile range, if you do want to use the included amplifier, this just gives you a little bit more of a boost. I don't need this, even in a basement in Toronto right now. I'm really happy with the channels that I have access to. I'm going to show you now how to get the free channels added to your TV from the antenna. Now, we've already searched through the channels, but I want to show you right now that on this smart TV, I already have Netflix, Amazon Prime, access to YouTube TV, or Google, I should say. But if you aren't a Sling TV subscriber, you're not enjoying that live TV or direct TV now, you just really want to see what an antenna can give you, this is what you need to do to set it up. On any regular television, you'll just go into your menu settings and do a search. You can auto-tune your channels or manual scan. Auto-tune is the easiest. The TV runs through all available channels and then programs them into your television guide. So all you have to do is change channels just as you would traditionally with satellite or cable, and you'll know in a matter of seconds what you have access to. So this is a very powerful antenna. You can see that it's already starting to pick out channels. In most of our tests, we're able to get 12 to 15 channels. In some cases, you'll only get 4 channels. In some cases, you'll get 20 or 30. It depends on where you are and how far away you are from the broadcast source. Okay, it's moving faster than I thought. We're at 9 channels and 100%. So 9 channels from a basement. It's gonna scan through all of the other sources now. This is the part that I'm gonna skip because this will take a while. I should also mention that I am using live television. Sometimes when people show you these antennas, they do all these fake roundabouts where the antenna is not actually the source. Just want to show you right now, this is live TV tied to the antenna. All right, so as you can see, I'm gonna lower the smart menu right here for a second. This is absolutely beautiful, crystal clear 4K on my television right now. This is high definition. So let's keep going here. Just again, scrolling through the channels as you would traditionally watching cable, just using the remote. The TV is already familiar with what it's picked up. Beautiful. You just flick through channels as you would watching something else, and you can see the picture quality is tremendous. I am a huge fan of this antenna, and more importantly, the content that I'm now able to get for free. This is a great way to enjoy free television on a dime, and as we flick through, everything you need is there. The channels are all programmed into the television, and maybe you'll be able to get many more. Ooh, that does not look good. Maybe you'll be able to get more channels than I've had access to. I didn't mean to laugh. Okay, I've just learned no one was injured in that truck incident. So there you are, everything's safe. Wonderful. Now, obviously, your ability to enjoy free HD TV also depends how far away you are from the broadcast source. So there is a very easy way to check that out. I've included some links not only to this deal, but a tool to help you measure and see what channels you would potentially receive. But to be able to get something where you're getting the high gain and also interference-free broadcasting, thanks to the filter tied to this TV, you're way ahead of the game, and you can set it up how you want, indoor, out. But I am just such a big fan of the fact you're able to score this today at this price. Now, I should mention, obviously, Antop is not paying me to say nice things about them. I legitimately found that this antenna worked beautifully. And if you do want to take advantage of this deal, expand that video description box right under me, and I would be more than happy to share that deal with you and other deals to come. And more importantly, if there's things that you want me to test, things that you want to know tied to cutting the cord, free HDTV, what's better, Roku, Apple TV, Fire TV Stick, I've done those side-by-side comparisons, but I'd love to start testing more products that you love, not just the ones behind me. So if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, oh, by the way, you can also subscribe to my YouTube Deal Guy podcast on Apple Music and Spotify. And yeah, feel free to subscribe to this channel too, because I love having you here. Just click on my head right here. That will subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning your notifications on, you can do that right over there. And the last big roundup of deals I did, powered by subscriber request, right over here.